What if the key to unlocking your deepest desires, to manifesting the life you truly wish to live, wasn't found in a book or a course, but was hanging silently in the night sky above you every single month? What if the moon, in its quiet cyclical dance, held a powerful, untapped energy that you could align with to propel your personal growth forward? Hello and welcome to iMusingz. Today we are going to explore the magic and the methodology of lunar cycle manifestation. The new moon isn't just a celestial event, it's a powerful, energetic portal, a cosmic invitation to plant the seeds of your future. Discover how aligning with its energy can transform your intentions into your reality. For thousands of years, our ancestors have known a simple truth. We are not separate from the rhythms of nature. Farmers planted by the moon's phases to ensure a bountiful harvest. Sailors navigated the vast oceans by her light and her influence on the tides. Ancient traditions and spiritual practices across the globe have always revered the moon as a powerful force, a divine feminine energy that governs the cycles of life, death, and rebirth. In our modern world, it's easy to dismiss this as superstition. But this practice is not about old myths, it's about aligning with a tangible, natural rhythm. Just as planting a seed in the dead of winter is less effective than planting it in the fertile soil of spring, launching a new intention is most potent when the cosmic energy is aligned for new beginnings. Today, we move beyond myth and into practical application. We will explore the unique power of the new moon, and I will guide you, step by step, through a ritual to set clear, powerful intentions that can truly change your life. To harness the moon's power, we must first understand its language. The lunar cycle is a 29.5-day journey of waxing and waning, of growing light and receding darkness. Each phase carries its own unique energetic signature. But for manifestation, the most important phase is the very beginning, the new moon. The new moon occurs when the moon is positioned between the Earth and the Sun, making it invisible to us. This dark, empty slate in the sky is not an absence of energy, but a moment of pure, undiluted potential. Think of it as the deep, silent inhale before a powerful exhale. It is the fertile, dark soil before a single seed has been planted. It is the blank page upon which a new story can be written. This is why the new moon energy is so profoundly connected to beginnings, fresh starts, and the act of creation. It's like the universe's monthly reset button, offering you a clean slate to decide what you want to call into your life. The darkness of the new moon is a sacred void, a space of infinite possibility where your intentions can take root without the influence of the past. This connection isn't just metaphorical. On a scientific level, the moon's gravitational pull is powerful enough to move the Earth's massive oceans, creating the tides. Our bodies, which are composed of about 60% water, are also subtly yet surely influenced by this same gravitational dance. Many people report feeling more introspective or having lower physical energy during the new moon, a natural call to turn inward. Historically, humanity has always honored this cycle. Many of the world's oldest calendars were lunar-based, marking time by the moon's phases. Our ancestors understood that living in harmony with these cycles was the key to a successful and balanced life. By setting intentions at the new moon, we are not trying a new trend. We are reawakening an ancient and intuitive human practice. To make your intentions as powerful as possible, it helps to create a focused and sacred environment. This is not about elaborate ceremony, but about signaling to yourself and to the universe that you are serious about this act of creation. First, create your sacred space. This can be any small corner of your home. The most important step is to clear and cleanse the space, both physically and energetically. Tidy up any clutter. You might want to dim the lights and light a candle. The idea is to create an environment that feels calm, peaceful, and separate from the distractions of your daily life. Next, you may want to gather a few simple tools to enhance your focus. These are not required, but they can be helpful. A journal and a special pen are essential for the practice of writing down your intentions. The physical act of writing helps to solidify your thoughts into tangible form. You might light a candle. The single flame in the darkness is a beautiful symbol of the new moon itself, the spark of a new idea, a new beginning, being born in the void of potential. If you enjoy working with essential oils or crystals, this is a wonderful time to use them. A calming scent like lavender can help quiet your mind, while a crystal like clear quartz can amplify the clarity of your intentions. Now, let's talk about the most crucial part of the preparation: how to formulate your intentions. How you word your desires can make all the difference. There are 3 key principles. First, be clear and specific. Vague intentions get vague results. Instead of, "I want to be happier," dig deeper. Second, frame your intentions in the positive. The universe responds to the energy you put out, not the words of negation. So instead of "I want to get out of debt," reframe it as "I am financially abundant and all of my bills are paid with ease." And third, and this is the most powerful principle, write and feel your intentions in the present tense, as if they are already your reality. Don't write, "I will find a new job." Write, "I am so grateful for my new job that aligns perfectly with my skills and my soul's purpose." This shifts your energy from one of wanting to one of having. Now that we have prepared our space and our minds, let's begin our guided ritual. I invite you to find a comfortable seated position. Straighten your spine, relax your shoulders, and gently close your eyes. Let's begin by taking 3 deep, cleansing breaths together. Inhale slowly through your nose, filling your belly with air. Hold for a moment, and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of your day. Now bring your awareness to the sky above you. In your mind's eye, visualize the night sky. It is dark, clear, and filled with 1,000 distant stars. And in the center of it all, you see the new moon. She is a dark, velvety circle, a void of pure potential, holding all the promise of the cycle to come. Feel her quiet, magnetic, and gentle energy. Now, place a hand on your heart. Connect with the rhythm of your own being. In this sacred, quiet space, I want you to ask yourself a few questions. Don't search for the answers with your mind, just listen for the whispers of your soul. Ask yourself, what new chapter is my soul ready to begin? What seeds of intention am I truly ready to plant in the fertile darkness of this new moon? What is the deepest desire of my heart right now? The one that, if manifested, would bring the most joy and growth. Now, when you feel ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Take your journal and your pen. Based on the insights you just received, write down 1 to 3 of your most important intentions for this lunar cycle. Once you have finished writing, please put your pen down. Now we will seal these intentions. You can place both of your hands over your journal, or you can hold your journal to your heart. Close your eyes one more time. I invite you to read your intentions aloud or silently to yourself, one by one. After each intention, take a full breath and truly feel the emotion of it being fulfilled. Now visualize sending this powerful, emotion-filled energy from your heart up through the crown of your head as a beautiful beam of light. See this beam of light traveling up into the night sky and being received by the dark, fertile void of the new moon. You are planting your seeds. The universe has received your order. Release your intentions with trust. Know that the how is not your job. Your job was to get clear on the what and the why. Take one final deep breath of gratitude, and so it is. Welcome back. That powerful act of intention setting is the beginning, not the end, of the manifestation process. You have planted your seeds in fertile ground. Now, for the rest of the lunar cycle, your job is to tend to them. So, how do you nurture your intentions? First, place your written intentions somewhere you can see them every day. On your altar, taped to your mirror, or maybe on your bedside table. This keeps them at the forefront of your conscious mind. Second, in the days immediately following the new moon, take one small, grounded physical step toward one of your intentions. If your intention is about a new job, perhaps you can spend 20 minutes updating your CV. If it's about a new friendship, maybe you can research a local club or group to join. This aligned action signals to the universe that you are a serious co-creator in this process. Third, use the full moon, which arrives about 2 weeks after the new moon, as a check-in point. The full moon's energy is about illumination and celebration. Take a moment to reread your intentions, celebrate any progress you've made, no matter how small it may seem, and release any blocks or doubts that have come to the surface. Most importantly, practice patience and consistency. Manifestation is, a dance, a co-creation. Stay open to how your desires may come to you. It's often in ways you least expect. Trust the divine timing of your life. Your connection to the moon is an ancient, intuitive part of you. By aligning with her cycles, you are simply coming home to a rhythm your soul already knows. I invite you to share the feeling of one of your intentions in the comments below. For example, I am planting the intention of joyful creativity. Let's fill the comments with our collective powerful energy. And if you wish to receive guidance on the other phases of the moon, please subscribe to iMusingz. Thank you for honoring yourself and the cosmos today. May the seeds you have planted on this new moon grow and blossom into your most beautiful reality.